Namaste and hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Nepali with Barsa. I'm Barsa Basnet, your Nepali language tutor. Today I'm back with new session on different types of food that's eaten in Nepal. Today I will show you different types of photos of Nepali food which are Nepali cuisine, and some of the food are not actually the Nepali cuisine but we frequently eat in Nepal. Before moving ahead, if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel, and if you want to support us, please visit Patreon page as well. And at the end of this session, if you feel this session was informative, please hit the like button. Now let's move to our lesson on different types of food eaten in Nepal. Let's start with Dalbhat, Dalbhat or Thali, Thali. Dalbhat is very famous food of Nepal which contains rice, curries, soup, dal soup, yogurt. If you are vegetarian, you can have the option of another extra veggies, or if you are non-vegetarian, you can choose any kind of meat you like. Pickles. Normally, pickle is made of Gundruk, which is our national food as well, different salad and spinach. You might have seen different bloggers trying this food. So if you ever visit to Nepal, I would highly recommend you to try this food out. Dalbhat or Thali. Our next food is Momo. Momo. You can also see some restaurant write it as Mama, but the pronunciation is Momo. We have different ways of making momos. It can be steamed, it can be stir-fried, it can be deep-fried. You can also find different varieties of momo like veg momo, buff momo. Buff momo means momo made out of buffalo meat, chicken momo. Even some modern restaurants have start making chocolate momos here in Nepal. So momo is one of the very delicious food of Nepal. And the next food is Chow Mein. Chow Mein. Chow Mein, which is known as noodles, but this noodles is a local noodle of Nepal. And this food is eaten by Nepali people as a lunch or evening snacks. The next food is Pani Puri. Pani Puri. Pani Puri. This food is eaten in Nepal as well as in India, and it is loved by young people and our elderly people too. Pani Puri. This is kind of sour and spicy food, and if you are new in our country, then I would recommend you to try this food in a very clean area. Next food is instant noodle, Chow Chow. Chow Chow. Chow Chow. Students love this food because it can be eaten raw or it can be eaten by cooking, and we have different recipe of making instant noodles. The famous brand of instant noodle in Nepal is YY, which is also famous all over the world. If you come to Nepal, please do try this food as a snack. The next food is Chatpate. 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 This food is the mixture of chow chow and different vegetables and sauce. So it is also one of the very spicy food, but you can ask the vendor to prepare this food as per your spice level. The next food is Samosa. It is also eaten in Nepal and India too. This is very yummy snack of Nepal, which is made by stuffing peanuts, potatoes and different kind of veggies inside the white flour wrapping. So samosa is very famous snack of Nepal too. The next food is murai. Murai, or it's also called bhuja. Bhuja. It is called puff rice in English. This food is also eaten in our lunch or evening snacks. This food is used to prepare chatpate. Now the next famous food of Nepal is Chura. 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 It's called beaten rice in English. Chura is eaten with different kind of curries, meat items, or you can also eat this with some soup. And the next food which is eaten during winter is Tugba. 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 This is made out of Chow Mein, or some people also made Tugba with different kind of noodles, and you can eat this food as per your liking, veg or non-veg. And the next food is Dido. 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 This is our national food. This can be prepared by corn, buckwheat, wheat, or mixture of different flour. Now another food is Roti. 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 This food is again eaten with different curries and pickles. The next food is Puri. 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 This is also a kind of roti, but it is deeply fried in oil. Puri can be eaten with different kind of side dishes. Now again, one of the famous food of Nepal is sel. Sel, or is also called sel roti. Sel roti. This is a special food eaten during Tihar in Nepal. Tihar is one of the biggest festivals celebrated by Hindu community. Sel roti is prepared during this festival, and this food is also eaten in another time. Many Nepali people eat this food with tea or any kind of other hot soups. And the next food is laughing. 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 If you love eating cold food, then please do try it when you are in Nepal. The next food is Satu. 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 It's called Satu because this is formed by grinding different 7 cereals, and this is one of the very nutritious food. This food can be eaten just with hot water or hot milk. Satu can be eaten at any time of day, but especially it's eaten in our breakfast. Next food is Aloo chop. Aloo chop. Aloo chop. It's called deep fried smashed potato in English. This food is also eaten as quick snack in Nepal. If you want to try this food, then you can visit small local shops. They sell aloo chop. Now the next food is Ghee. Ghee, which is Nepali butter. Ghee. We eat this food with hot rice, or we can also use this ghee as the substitution of oil to make different curries. Next food is Gundruk. 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 It is also called fermented leafy vegetables. It is our national food as well. You can eat this food by making its pickle or soup. After Gundruk, now we have the next food, Haluwa. 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 This food is eaten as a sweet dish in Nepal. This food is prepared by a different kind of flour called suji flour, and we also add different kind of nuts to make this food delicious. Now the next food is Jolo. 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 Personally, I call this the food of a sick person, but this food is very healthy. You can also eat during normal times. This is kind of rice porridge. We prepare it by adding rice, lentils, different vegetables. Now another food of Nepal is Jerryswari. 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 When I was a child, I used to eat this food as my breakfast. I used to like very sweet food. If you want to try this food, you have to visit small local shops. It is mostly found in sweet shops. Next food is Kajuri. 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 It's kind of a little hard food to chew, but it's very delicious and it's sweet in taste. Now a very healthy food, Kuati. 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 This food is a mixture of different kind of pulses. We make soup of this food. You can again make kuati as per your taste. If you are vegetarian, you can simply make vegetarian kuati soup. Whereas if you are non-vegetarian, you can add some pieces of meat to make it kuati meat soup. We also have one special festival when we eat this food. This food is eaten during Janai Purnima. Now the next food is churpi. 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 This is one of the dairy product and a little kind of hard when to chew, but it's very delicious as well. The next food is baka. 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 This food is especially found in southern part of Nepal. It is very delicious to eat as it is made out of rice flour. It's kind of steamed rice bun. The next food is kheer. 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 It's called rice pudding in English. This is made out of sugar, milk, and rice. You can add different types of nuts or different kind of spices such as cardamom or cloves to make it more delicious. Now we are moving on to the next cuisine, which is very famous cuisine of Nepal, Newari cuisine. And one of the very famous Newari food is bara. 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 Bara is prepared by a flour of different pulses. The next food is chatamari. Chatamari. This food is prepared by the rice flour. And you can find different kinds of chatamari in Nepal. You can find egg chatamari, you can find meat chatamari, or you can simply eat plain chatamari as well. Now, the next food is choyla. 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 It is very spicy food of Newari cuisine. But again, you can prepare this food as per your liking, or if you want to try this food, you can ask the seller to prepare it as per your spice level. Mostly, choyla is made out of buffalo meat, but nowadays we are also making choyla of chicken, choyla of duck. The next food is chaku. Chaku is one of our sweet food. This food is also used to prepare other different kind of food such as yamari. 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 We have a special day in Nepal to celebrate Yamari Purne. On this day, we prepare different kind of yamari. Especially, this is the festival of Newari community, and they prepare yamari by stuffing melted chaku inside the rice flour wrapping. The next food is lakamari. 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 It is also one of the Newari cuisine sweet dish. Newari people include this food during any kind of celebration. It's kind of hard and sweet in taste. Now, after learning different kind of foods, let's learn different kind of beverages that are consumed by Nepali people. The first drink is chia. 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 Tea. There are two kinds of chia. One is kalo chia. Kalo chia. Kalo chia, which is called black tea. And the next one is dudko chia. Dudko chia. Dudko chia, milk tea. Now, the next beverage is mohi. Mohi, or some people might also say moi. Moi. This is called buttermilk in English. It is also one of the dairy product. The next beverage is Roxy. 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 Roxy means local alcohol made in Nepal. Now the famous beverage of Nepal is chang. 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 This is called rice wine in English. This beverage is consumed a lot during any kind of festival of Nepali people, and this is made out of rice. With this, we are at the end of our session. There are still more food and beverages eaten and consumed here in Nepal. Probably I have missed out a lot of them. If any Nepali citizen is watching this video, please do comment what are the missed food I have not mentioned in this session. And if you are a foreigner and already have tried our foods and beverages, then leave a comment below mentioning your favorite Nepali food or beverage. Thank you everyone. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you are new in our channel, again I humbly request you to please subscribe our channel and support us by giving a like to our videos. Thank you. See you soon. Namaste.